In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find and replace in a Microsoft Word document. So click on Find, and here you can find any word. Just type. So we can see 14 results. You can go through direct by clicking here. Also, you can see the pages. So almost we have this word in all pages. And to replace, click here and click on replace. So look, you can change with any word, then replace all. So we can see we made 14 replacements. Click on OK. So this way you can find and replace. Also guys, you can use this shortcut key Ctrl+H to find. Ctrl F. So press Ctrl H. Now find out, like you want to find C and you want to change with testing. For example, you can replace one by one and you can replace all at once. That's it. So this is the video guys to learn Microsoft Office. There is a 1 minute or 2 minute videos. Easily we will cover all programs and features for MS Office like Excel, Word, PowerPoint. So stay tuned, support this channel and subscribe to more useful videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any query or questions, so just comment.